the count of three, roar. Let's wake up our classmates and friends at other schools. 1, 2, 3. All right, enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your...
Thank you, teachers!
Hello, Mrs. Hutchings. Thank you for everything that you've done for me. And I hope we get to see each other in person soon. Bye.
Hi, Mrs. Randazzo. I just wanted to say thank you for all your hard work and stay safe.
Thank you, Mrs. Priestabach, for helping me learn.
Teachers Appreciation Week, Mrs. Youngie.
I really miss you, and I wish I could be in your classroom again and give you a hug. I really miss you teaching me, and I'm really happy that I seen you today on a Zoom call. Bye.
Miss Youngie, I miss you. You are very smart and funny. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week.
Thank you, Mrs. Maravilla.
So I really super duper really miss you so much, and I really hope you stay safe from the coronavirus.
Hi, Mr. Randazzo. Thank you for all the stuff you teach me, and also I miss you.
Staff and teachers for helping us grow. Love, Emma. Hello, Mrs. Maravilla. Hello, Mrs. King. We love you. Thank you for your teaching. We hope we could see you again. Thank you.
Since everything's online, I grew it online. It doesn't do that good. I mean, no, this is totally not the plant. It was just an illusion. This is totally the plant that I grew, you guys. Yeah. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week.
Thanks, Ms. Randazzo, for being the best teacher ever and helping me learn and being so fun at school and helping me learn multiplication. Thank you.
I just wanted to thank you for being such an amazing teacher, and just wanted to let you know that you have taught me everything that I know now, including how to be organized, which my parents do appreciate, and I am pretty bummed out that we can't finish our her class in person, but thank you still. Thank you.
So thank you for teaching me. I miss you, and I hope I be with you again. Bye.
Ms. Randazzo, something that I like about you is how you teach us new things. Another thing that I like about you is your passion for it. Thank you.
Desert, I really like your gift. I miss you and my classmates very much. Hope to see you soon. Thank you, Mrs. Maravilla.
You teach us in a room, and you teach us in a Zoom. You teach us at our house, you teach us with a mouse. You teach us here and there. You teach us everywhere. We miss you, teachers!
Happy Teacher Appreciation Week! Now that we're letting them up, I just wanted to let you know that something I really miss about being in your classroom is your in-class lessons on social studies. Thank you for all you do. Bye!
Thank you to all the teachers and staff at Lincoln Elementary School. And a big thank you to Mrs. Maravilla for meeting me online, answering all my questions, and for all your hard work. Happy Teachers Appreciation Week.
Lincoln has the best teachers ever.